Morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So we'll right away start with the class. So few students had doubt in the last numerical of heights and distances. So I'll be presenting the solution for you. It was the complementary angles concept. It's not that difficult at all. It just looks normal. Now this is how the diagram will look like. One angle will be x and the other will be 90 minus x, as it's given that the angles are complementary in a straight line. Is it clear? Yes or no? You have to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters and the distance they have already given to you as 4 and 9 meters from the tower respectively. Can we calculate tan x from here? Yes or no? Tan x will be this by this BC, and again tan 90 minus x will be this by this. Now this thing has been removed from the syllabus, the complementary angle concept. Still you remember one thing, that tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Is it clear? This will help you in completing this numerical properly. So this is it. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta will be, AB will be equals to 9 cot theta and AB is equals to 4 tan theta. When you multiply this thing, you'll be getting the value as 6. AB's value is 6. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now if you want to copy this down, you can copy it down. I'll wait for exactly 1 minute. Move on to the MCQs portion of this chapter. And remember one thing, the chapter has very good MCQs. Exceedingly good MCQs. MCQs on application of Is it clear? Give the topic as MCQs on this chapter. Now try and do out option number 1. If the length of the shadow of the tower is increasing, then the angle of elevation of the sun. What do you think the answer will be? And the person Bodhisattva, you want to see the last numerical? I hope people have copied down that, seen that question, think about it. If the length of the shadow is increasing, what do you think the angle of elevation of the sun will be? Will it increase, decrease, remain same, or what? Done, Bodhisattva? I'm removing it. Angle of elevation of the sun will be? Anyone? Decreases. And reason? Answer will be it decreases. Now we have done this kind of numerical. Can you see this figure? Our sun is considered out here. If the shadow, this shadow is increasing, therefore the angle, see, angle of elevation is decreasing. From here it's 60, it will be out 30 out here. And obviously you know this angle is less than, this angle is greater than this angle, right? The further we go, the angle of elevation keeps on decreasing. Is this clear? Yes or no? I will expect you to copy the diagram. Kindly copy the diagram. I hope you all can see the diagram properly. Kindly copy the diagram for future reference. Orko Papa Mahanto, you are expected to attend the class on time. Done everyone, can you move on to the next numerical? Kindly copy the question first. Copy the question first, second numerical. Here are your options. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 50 degree. If the height of the tower is double, then what is the angle of elevation at the top will be? Will it be double, half, 60 degree or none of this? Calculate yours. I'll be waiting for the answer in the chat box. Let's see how much of applications have you learned in this applications of trigonometry. C. Angle will be less than 60 degree. Elevation top of the tower is 30 degree. Height of the tower is double. Let's say it's out here. So now they are asking the angle of elevation. Are you sure it will be only greater than 60 degree? It can be none of these also. It can be greater than 30 degree also, 45 degree also. Why only you will choose this? Turn on your mic and speak. Agnik, Shomujit, Agnik. Why do you think it will be only greater than 60? Yes? Hmm. We'll go with option number C. Excellent. It's absolutely correct what Agnik said. It's tan 30 will be h by x, the height of the tower. Now considering the fact that the height has been doubled, so this will become 2h by x. Now 2h, you substitute out here, you'll be getting 2 by root 3. And you also know this fact that tan 60 is equals to how much? Root 3. Yes sir. So this thing is wrong. It's greater than. So root 3, when you multiply in the numerator and the denominator, what do we get? 2 root 3 by 3, yes or no? Yes. So this will become 2 by root 3. This is point something, point 9 into root 3, which is less than this, yes or no? Which is less than 60 degree. So is this correct? Angle will be less than 60 degree. Is it clear, everyone? Because you directly see out here that tan 60 is root 3. Now you'll say, sir, how do we know it's greater than or less than? Now you look at tan 45. Tan 45 is equals to 1 and tan 60 is equals to 1.732, right? So if it's coming less than 1.732, we see that, and you'll also check that tan 30 equals 1 by root 3. So this is also less than equals to less than 1. So you see that the value is continuously increasing. So if it's a value less than this, then for it has to be an angle which is less than 60 degree. Is it clear? Yes or no, boys? Kindly copy this down and let me know when it's done. And people who are done with this, they'll copy question number 3. Kindly copy down question number 3. I'm pausing the video for everyone. Angle of elevations remains the same is the correct answer. Is it clear? The height is in the things are increased by 10%, the angle of elevation of the top will remain the same because your h and x is increasing by the same limit. Is it clear, boys? Had this been double or less or greater, then it would be different, but since height and the base is increasing at the same proportion, your tan theta remains same. Is it clear? Yes or no? Rest of the boys in the class? Confirm fast. Now if you're done with this, please move on to copy question number 4. I'll pause the video. Options as well. Option number, let's see. Now first time on this class we have 3 different options, 3 different people saying 3 different options. So there might be one person who's correct. Option number A, B and C all have been given as the option. Ladder is 15 meter long. Makes an angle 60 degree. What is the height of the wall? How is it so difficult? Sin 60 is equals to height by 15 root 3 by 2. How is it so difficult? 7.5 root 3. Root 3 will be taken as 1.73. Multiply it with 7.5. Tell me what is the answer. This will definitely not be the answer A and B. Okay. Just a moment. Ladder is just written at the top of the wall. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree, what is the height of the wall? It's 7.5. Sorry? It's 7.5 Acha. Over here they haven't told you that the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. This makes an angle with the wall as 60 degree. Understood? So this will obviously be 30 degree, yes or no? So ultimately we'll be having sine 30 as this. So it will be 7.5 as the answer. Bodhisattva, very good. Okay, I made a mistake out here thinking that the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Makes an angle 60 degree with the wall. Apna wall is this. Is it clear, boys? Yes or no, confirm? Bodhisattva made a guess. Tell me 7.5. I hope you have understood it now. We have done so many similar kind of numericals like this that I also assume that it's 60 degree. Okay, then moving on to the next numerical. Question number 5. Here are your options, and here is the question. I would expect you to tell this at least. So read the question very carefully, okay? I didn't know it would be having so much of cycle sound. One answer has been given out. 45 degree. 5, 6 have already told 45 degree. Answer is 45 degree. I don't think it was a very difficult one. But obviously you cannot understand this. So I will extend this a bit. People who are not done with this, kindly copy this down. Kindly copy this down and start doing question number 6 now. Now this is also complementary angle concept. So I told you about one complementary angle tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Kindly apply that to rest of the things also. Here are your options. Very nice question. Option number C.